Hi, my loves! Who else is ready to look super cute in shimmery pink tonight? Cause we've got just the prettiest tutorial for you. Starting off with the eyes and making the perfect base with that primer. Applying that beautiful pink eyeshadow all over the eyes and leaving the lids out for this one. We're going for a very shiny cut crease, and you'll be amazed by how much the lids are going to glow. Defining the eyes with that thin line and smoking it out a bit. Told ya! Super shiny! Let's clean out any product fall-offs so the face has the perfect base before we put any products in it. After we prep the face perfectly, it's time to add a decent amount of foundation to cover the whole face with it. Concealing those under eyes with that super light concealer to get that lifting effect. And this super cute contour all over the forehead, the cheekbones, and the nose defines the face in the perfect way. It's blending time, and that brush and beauty blender helps out to do just the perfect job. Time to set the products with loose and powder so the makeup won't crease. Looking gorgeous, sweetie! You've got just the right glow for you. This is looking fantastic already, and I know we can all agree on this one. Adding a little bit of love to the lashes as well. Adding mascara and then a beautiful pair of falsies on top. That super shiny highlighter on the cheeks makes this makeup look so glowy. Fixing out the brows to make them look naturally fuller. Next, we're moving on to the lips, lining them first and then filling them in with a shiny gloss. That gloss is looking fantastic and fits this makeup look perfectly. I am definitely in love with this gorgeous makeup look. If you want to glow the whole night, this makeup look is just the right one.